peace of Christ to all. Today we are going to take another letter, which is the letter Tha. Now, just to remind you, before we took from the alphabet already, you can go back if you don't see the rest of the videos. We took the letter Alif, A, Ba, Ta, and now we will take Tha. Now, the letter Tha is simply, as you are saying in English, thunder, thunder. So, Tha, Tha, thunder. It's not Sa, no, Tha, Tha, thunder. So, let us see how this letter is written and how we can make it easy to memorize it and remember it, and how to write it down. This is how you see, as usual, the letter by itself in the beginning, and this is the letter connected, and this is the letter in the middle, and this is the letter at the end. You will see that all those letters, they are very similar to each other, as you see, Ta, Tha, etc., except letters we mentioned to you before. If you remember, just to refresh your memory again, letter A, Da, Tha, Ra, Za, Wa. Those they don't accept connection in the left, but the rest they are similar, you know, as you see. Ba, this is how it is. Ta, this is how it is. It's the same. Tha is the same. Very simple. So let us see how we write it down using the pen. It's very simple. It's almost the same as we wrote the letter Ta and Ba. The only difference, this one have 3 dots at the top. So the difference between later I'm going to make the I will like after we finish the alphabet, I'm going to organize the letters for you to put them in groups, so you will see the similars together, and those who they are like we will group them in the easiest way to make you memorize them more and faster. So this is the letter Tha, as we see in the front of our eyes here. It is like a dish, and you put 3 dots, as simple as that. In the beginning you say Tha. In the middle, if it's between 2 letters, it is like this, and this is how it is if it is at the end. So we learn about Ba, just to refresh your memory. The Ba, the dot is underneath, and here if the Ba in the beginning, and here if the Ba is in the middle, and this is here if the Ba at the end. And we learn about the letter Ta if it is alone, independent, Ta in the beginning, Ta in the middle, and Ta at the end. So again, we just to refresh your memory again, the letters at the end always they go to the original shape, except there is a connection, little bit of connection here. This is the original shape. So when we put them at the end, they go back to the original. In the first and between, they change, because in the beginning there is no connection, and we have to connect it, and this is how it can look like, you know, with this connection. And here this is for connection, and this is for connection. All right. So now what we notice here, that this letter have 3 dots in the top, there's a letter have 1 dot underneath, and there's a letter have 2 dots in the top. So this is Tha, this is Ba, and this is the Ta. Very simple, very easy. Now let us write a word with the letter Tha. So you see how we can write it down. I will write a word start with the letter Tha in the beginning. So we will write the word Thawr. Thawr means cow, the male cow. Thawr. The first letter is Tha. Thawr. Thawr. That's a male cow. There is a city, Muhammad, after he occupied that city, he killed the people of it, the Jews, and he changed the name from the original name, which is يثرب يثرب يثرب. So the second letter here is the letter th. Now let us see a word end with the letter th. حرث. Hearth, like when you dig in the ground, if you are let us say you are a farmer and you dig in the floor to put your seed, that is called hearth. Like in the Quran it says, your woman is your hearth, which means your woman is the same as a floor, you dig in it in a very insulting way. So hearth mean you dig to put a seed. So hearth, the letter th here, it's coming at the end. Let us highlight it. This is hearth, and this is the last letter in the word. So let us write one more option. Actually, hold on, let us do this. I'm trying to make this board. Alright, so again the letter th is very easy to write. This is the letter th by itself, 3 dots. This is in the beginning, and this is in between, and this is at the end. Go back to the original. So we said thawr. You see later you will be writing fast, right? Thawr and hearth. Now let us see a word, the letter th appear in the middle. مثلث. مثلث. This word have 2 th, which is unique. In the beginning we have the letter meme, m. Let us highlight. Okay, this is the letter meme, and then this letter is L, and the one stay in red is the th. So th in the middle and th at the end. You see how it look like? مثلث. مثلث is a rectangle, square, like a shape. So if we go here, oh, this is the wrong one, sorry. This is مثلث. Alright, this is the shape of مثلث. This is what the word means. So I think this is very easy, and we learn how to write it down, and the second video we will move to the letter after it. With this I will say thank you, God bless, and don't forget